Hello everybody and welcome to the Insatiable Gamer YouTube channel. This might actually be a wee bit much read for this video. I'll be back. Hi everybody and welcome to the Insatiable Gamer YouTube channel. We're back again with another unboxing, this time with a guest who won't leave me alone, and so it's kind of less noisy to have him on the table. So today we've been sent a wee toy from HP. It is the Envy x360 or 360X. X360. Trust your gut. This is the AMD 13.3 inch model. I believe it's AMD Ryzen 5 with Vega graphics. This is basically a two-in-one machine designed at those sort of power users on the go. We're going to have a wee look at it. Today's just going to be an unboxing. There will be a review coming very shortly. So anyway, let's crack into this thing. I had some scissors. And you're waiting oh so patiently, aren't you? Oh, this is probably not great on the mic, is it? Oh, I've cut that box a little bit. I hope they don't really want it back. I don't know. So, you're gonna see it before I do. No you won't. There's packing. Oh, I see it before you do, because someone decided to stand in the way. Hey, alright. His name's Walter, by the way. So we have some documentation, which basically just says setup instructions, plug it in, turn it on, select a network. Alright, cool. We're gonna do that later. So, this is the actual machine, and some nice, lovely film. Hello. Oh, is that interesting? Maybe you shouldn't do that. So let's get this off. It's actually quite nice packaging, to be fair. Like, I like unboxing shit when it looks good. So I can dig that. Alright. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a really cool pattern on the edge of it, which is super cool. It's quite light, actually. I mean, it feels dense. Is that a way to describe something? Dense. Alright, let's open that, sit that there for now. I think that's still in scene. If not, can't really unbox it twice. Okay, more documentation. This time it's the weirdest thing. Just a giant bag with one single little warranty information in it. Cool. Awesome. Okay, obviously, oh, shit. Got a stylus. This is what happens when you actually don't look into the stuff that people send you. Oh man, that's cool. Oh, some extra tips. And we have a really nice stylus. And batteries included. Alright, this is all going to have to be set up at some point. And last, but probably quite important, is just standard power adapters. I mean, it's a nice power adapter. What more do you want to know? It is 2.31 amps. Cool. Using what looks to be a pretty standard HP connector. Okay. Let's have a look at the main event. So, again, before I see it. Oh, again, there's stuff there. Oh man, that's cool. I love that triangular pattern on the speakers. That's actually really nice. So, Bang & Olufsen, cool. So, hopefully that means it's gonna have some decent sound. There's a 2-in-1. Oh, that's cool. It feels so weird though. This is a really nice looking machine. I really hope it performs well. This will probably be the first time I've used Vega graphics. So that's something interesting. Obviously it's part of the APU SKU, so I'm curious as to see how it performs as far as workflow goes. Okay, so after recording that entire video, I sort of realized that, hey, we didn't actually turn it on, which is probably an important part of unboxing a tech product. So let's do that, shall we? On button is on the side. I just had to find it. So, oh, we have a light. Right, so while that's booting up, we should probably talk about what's inside this machine. So this, as I said before, is the AMD version. It's a quad-core. It's the Ryzen 5 2500U. It is an APU unit, and so it has built-in Vega. This model in particular is a 256...
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Thanks, Cortana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Thanks, Windows 10. That was unexpected, but let's not worry about Cortana right now.
Your region is set to Australia. Is that right?
Yeah. Wait, no. No, it's New Zealand.
Keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes, please. Right, so now that everything's out, we should probably talk about what this thing is and what's inside the machine. So it's an AMD-based platform, so it's an AMD 2500U, which is an APU featuring Vega graphics, which is cool. It has a 256 gig hard drive and 16 gig of DDR4 RAM. It is, of course, a multi-touch display. Oh, see my Wi-Fi stuff there. Let's just skip that for now. Cool. So as Windows starts up and does its thing, thanks Cortana, this also features a full IR camera, so which means it's Windows Hello ready, which is a nice touch. That's something I haven't had before. So yeah, basically we're going to take a look at this thing, see what it can do, get some more info on it, and yeah. So if you're interested in a video review of this, I'm sure I can take a lot of footage as we use it and go about our day-to-day use. Sorry buddy, that's not for you. I apologize about this cat. And he's just showing the camera's butthole. Cool, bro. I think that's pretty much it for an unboxing. I've taken everything out of the box. I showed the camera, I put it on the table. You've seen it. I did the thing where I flipped it around. If you want to see a video review, let us know in the comments down below. There will be a written review coming in the next week, which you can check out over at theinsatiablegamer.com. Cat is showing his butt to the camera. This side's cuter. Let's go this side, buddy. Good boy. So yeah, if that about wraps up this video, give it a like if you want. Stay tuned for more content coming very soon. We have a couple more Let's Plays to go up this week, and potentially a video on this laptop. I also recently got an NVIDIA Shield, so I want to touch on whether it's worthwhile in New Zealand, in the Australasia market, without the likes of Hulu and things natively supported. So we're going to cover off a few of those sort of topics. But yeah, this is basically it. And hey, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.